brethren, we are now at the beginning of the new liturgical calendar of the Church, which begins today, first Sunday of Advent. As you can see, we have Advent Wreath, that is light candle, the violet one. So to speak, brothers and sisters, the Latin word adventus means arrival. It refers not only to what has already arrived, it is a past event. It also connotes it's a future event, and it refers therefore to an event in time. So, a time of preparation as we commemorate the Christ coming on Christmas Day, and to also look forward to Christ's second coming at the end of time. It means that we must so live. It does not matter when He comes, but our life becomes a preparation for the vision of happiness. So mga igsoon, the 4 Sundays preceding Christmas, which is when Christians celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, are recognized 4 virtues. So, the candles on the Advent wreath symbolizes hope, love, joy, and peace. That candles are lit in that order beginning today. So this candle symbolizes hope. And so, brethren, for this first week of Advent, we are reminded to be hopeful. And that is why the Catechism of the Catholic Church 1043 to 1050 says, hope is the basis for a watchful and vigilant spirit, and the Lord will come in the blink of an eye. God will change everything. We will truly become the body of Christ, risen and glorified together, for we will live forever with the Father. Busa mga igsuon, hinaot unta nga matapos na kining COVID-19 nga atong giatubang karon, nga makabalik na unta kita sa normal. Hinaot unta nga wala na bagyo, baha ug mga dili matagna nga trahedya. Apan dili man nato matag-an ang mga panghitabo mga igsuon, so much so the second coming of Christ. With this reflection, we also realize our different attitudes of waiting and hoping. Lain-lain din atong pamatasan niini. First, most of us are not used to the situation. So, we complain sa putunta, daghang mga matralala. In short, depression. Lisod kayo. Psycho-emotional problem. Second, some have new discoveries, skills, talents, and become creative. Ang uban mag-TikTok, magkanta-kanta, bisan dili ganahan yung ma-expose, pero sige na lang. Since it releases, some mag-Netflix movie marathon, o bisan unsa na lang. Sa mga ginikanan na naadiha, tanom ang gikabuangan. No? Ang uban sad, laing pamaagi, magtulog-tulog, and many other things. And so, what is our attitude toward time here on earth? What do we do with our time? Is time our enemy that we have to kill? Or is it a gift to be enjoyed and to be used productively? So, brethren, let us make use of our time and let us be hopeful and joyful for God's coming.